What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to Crafting Cars. Today, we're kind of all over the place. We're going to start out by going go-karting for my little brother's birthday celebrations. From there, we're going to come back here. We got some new rubber to mount on the Sonic, and we're finally putting the interior back into the RX-7. Let's get right into it. And that was the go-kart session. Afton and I had a whole bunch of really good battles. Unfortunately, we had the GoPros set up kind of wrong for what we were trying to do. We learned a lot. We go-karting every month. So if you like that sort of content, maybe we'll make a more in-depth video with some better camera shots and some more of the on-track battles. As you can see here, we're back on the Sonic, and the old tires coming off were all over the place. They had camber wear, they had bubbles, they were old, they really needed to be replaced. They needed to be replaced when I bought the car. So here we are loading everything up into the Crosstrek. Went to a local tire shop, got them all mounted up, pulling them on out, and back onto the Sonic they go. There's just something about fresh rubber, I'll tell you what. One thing I did want to mention though is when I got the tires back from the shop, got them on the car and dropped it down off the jack and the jack stands, as you see up coming here, I did go through and double check the tire pressures, which was a good thing that I did, because some of them were up to like 45 psi and it's supposed to be like 32, so way over pressurized. Had to go through all four of them and reset them. After that, we jumped back into the RX-7 here. Really excited to start putting all these pieces back in. I think this is what really ties the whole car together, makes it start to feel like a car again. So as you can see, we're popping the driver's seat back on in where it belongs. I already cut the carpet out for the bolt holes for the seat bracket itself. Now that's done, I got somewhere to sit, and I managed to go through the wiring here and cut back all the old wiring that was added onto, so I'm left with just the factory wiring for when I do decide to put in a speaker. So I'm just putting in the factory unit right now because I love the look of it. Now the center console bezel's going back on, the new one from the 10th anniversary RX-7, the vent's back in. Everything's popping back in just the way it's supposed to, which is awesome. One thing that I hadn't put in yet was the center console, and it needed a really good cleaning. So that's what I'm using here. I got some leather conditioner and some Meguiar's interior protectant. So I'm wiping everything down with that, using the cleaner to get all the dirt and grime off of the center console. And look at that. How good does that look, huh? Now the steering column can finally go back together. That's been sitting off for quite a while, just why I took the interior in and out. But now that dash is in there, I don't foresee it coming out anytime soon. One thing that I realized I have not been able to do since I first saw the car for the first time years and years ago was actually open the door, just climb in and sit in it, because there was so much mold in the car from being stored for so long that it just wasn't something that you really wanted to do, and it was never an enjoyable experience. But this is the first time actually climbing into the car. Everything's clean, everything's where it's supposed to be. It just feels so nice. Real progress being made. It's awesome. Really happy with how the interior turned out. I think it looks amazing. There's still a couple of plastic pieces that I need from the 10th anniversary RX-7, but it looks like that car's going to end up coming up here to my house anyway, so there's no point making a separate trip all the way down there where that car is, just for the car to be up here in a few weeks anyways. So we have more information on that coming up. But yeah, really happy with how this turned out. Okay, so this video was kind of all over the place, but we got a bunch done, and I finally have the final parts needed for the LS1 engine, so the assembly on that is going to probably start in this next video, which is huge. Really excited for that. You aren't going to miss anything. Make sure you're subscribed. If you liked what you saw, leave a like, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.